This Gotham Steel 12-inch non-stick frying pan aims to be your kitchen helper. It wants to make cooking easier and clean up a breeze. The pan features a non-stick surface. This means your food should slide right off. You can cook eggs or even sticky stuff without worry. The goal is less mess and more flavor in your meals. It's like having a magic surface that stops food from clinging. The Gotham Steel 12-inch non-stick pan is also designed for convenience. It is often dishwasher safe. This makes cleaning even simpler after you cook. Some models are oven safe too. This adds to their versatility in different cooking conditions. Imagine moving your dish from the stove to the oven easily. The pan tries to be tough and long-lasting. It hopes to be a reliable tool in your kitchen for a long time. Overall, the Gotham Steel 12-inch non-stick frying pan presents itself as a solid choice. It promises easy cooking and simple cleanup. It's built with materials that aim for durability. While it might not give you superpowers like magic shoes, it strives to make your cooking experience smoother. For everyday cooking tasks, this non-stick pan could be a useful addition to your kitchen stuff. It's a simple pledge to make cooking less of a hassle. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: simple cleanup, dishwasher safe, oven safe, metal utensil safe, even heat, durable. PFOA, PFAS free, versatile cooking. Cons: non-stick not great, needs oil or butter, loses non-stick fast, poor customer service, may not work on induction, can scratch easily, uneven heating, handle can get hot. Features: non-stick surface 12-inch size, frying pan type, oven safe, dishwasher safe, copper pan. Cooking pan, non-stick skillet, easy to clean, durable build. This Gotham Steel 12-inch frying pan is designed for easy cooking and cleaning. It has a non-stick surface, so food should not stick while you cook. The pan is also oven safe and dishwasher safe, which makes it convenient to use and clean. It is made with copper and has a durable build. This skillet is meant to make cooking simpler because of its non-stick feature. This Gotham Steel 12-inch frying pan is advertised as non-stick, dishwasher and oven safe, and compatible with metal utensils. It claims to heat evenly, be durable, and free of harmful chemicals. However, customer reviews suggest that the non-stick quality is not great and requires oil or butter, and that the non-stick coating can wear off quickly. The pan may also scratch easily and heat unevenly, and the handle can get hot. Additionally, some users have reported poor customer service and that the pan may not work on induction cooktops.